Fun TV is a free app featuring bite-sized 1 to 3 minute mini dramas. Includes a reward section that lets you earn gold coins for watching content, completing basic tasks, and sharing referral codes, which you can theoretically redeem for cash payouts or gift cards. But here's the catch: the earning potential is completely microscopic. You aren't really getting paid to watch dramas, you're getting paid to watch an aggressive, endless stream of mandatory ads. To make matters worse, recent user reviews are heavily flooded with complaints about withdrawals, getting permanently stuck on processing for weeks, completely unresponsive customer support, and reward options sometimes restricted to gaming gift cards. So Fun TV is fine for casual entertainment, but as an income stream, it is a total waste of time. You must skip it.